Good morning, everyone. Today I will explain about chapter 2 using Excel as a database. First, what is database? A database is a collection of information related to a particular subject. A collection of or set of information such as maintaining addresses and phone numbers. Keeping students' record pertaining to academic and co-curricular achievements, keeping employees' information. It helps the users to organize, retrieve, sort means ascending and descending order, and edit data as per their requirements. Database consists of fields and records. In the simple term, records refer to rows and field refers column in Excel. रिकॉर्ड किसको रेफर करता है? रोज को. एंड फील्ड रेफर कॉलम्स इन एक्सेल. नाउ फील्ड. A column within a database that contains only one type of data is called field. For example, like a roll number, name, address are different fields. Record. A row in a database is called record. Row is known as record, which consists of the information about one person or one object. For example, like a roll number, name, subject like a English, Hindi, Maths, total percentage of the students, form of a record. Field name. It is a column. It is a column label. ये क्या है? Column label है for the field in a database. All the field names appear in one row. और सारा field name कहाँ appear होता है? एक row में. For example, roll number, name, English, Hindi, Maths, total percent are the field names in the given database. Using a form to enter data. How can you enter the data? By using the form. A form is a dialog box that provides an easy way to enter any information or display a complete row of information or record. It has text boxes to enter data in a fields and command buttons to manipulate the data. Before adding a record in the form, the worksheet must field names at the top of each column. Microsoft Excel uses these fields name to enter records in the basis of form. Form has the following features. It display one record at a time. Form क्या करता है? Display करता है one record at a time. It can be used to add new records and change the existing records. Any record can be deleted. किसी भी रिकॉर्ड को हम क्या कर सकते हैं? डिलीट कर सकते हैं, इरेज कर सकते हैं. इट ऑल्सो हेल्प्स टू व्यू द रिकॉर्ड. एंड व्हेन यू वांट टू सी द रिकॉर्ड, यू कैन ऑल्सो सी which matches the specified criteria. In Microsoft Excel, Forms option is hidden. To find the forms, click on the File tab option. The Excel option dialog box open. Select the Quick Access Toolbar tab in the left pane. Click on the drop down arrow and then choose the command. Select the command. Not in the ribbon from drop down list. Select form option. हम किसको चूज करना है? Form option from the display list using scroll bar and click on the add button. Find the form on the quick access toolbar. Adding new record in a form. Sometimes you want to add the new record. अगर हमको नया record add करना है, then how can you add it? Following the steps. Click on the cell A2. Select the form button on the quick access toolbar. The sheet 1 dialog box will be appear. It contains the record of the first. First वाला क्या करता है? Record store किया रहता है. To add a new record, click on the new button. अगर हमको add करना है, then you can use the new button. Type information in the respective field, और उस field में हम respectively you can add the new record. Click on the close button to close the data form. The new record will be visible at the end of the database. We can move to the previous. अगर हम चाहते हैं, we can move the previous or the next record by clicking the find and find preview, that the previous, and find text, that is find next button respectively. Searching a record. Sometimes you want to search any record. किसी particular record को अगर हम search करना चाहते हैं, then how can you search it? It is used to search the records with a specific values. Click on the form button. Which button you click? Form button. Select the criteria button in the sheet 1 dialog box. Criteria will be displayed in the upper right corner of sheet 1 dialog box. Type the data that we want to search in the appropriate field. For example, type 104 in the roll number text box and press the enter key. If the record exists and matches the given value for the field, it will be displayed. Otherwise, first record will be display. अगर उससे मैच करता है तो डिस्प्ले करेगा, अदरवाइज क्या करेगा? फर्स्ट वाला डिस्प्ले करेगा. Sorting data. Sorting means, what is sorting? Sorting means arranging data either in an ascending or descending order in a worksheet. Data can be stored in rows on the basis of text, numbers, combination of text, members or dates. Once the data is organized, it becomes easy to work. अगर हम data को organized way में लिखें, it is very easy to work also. Follow these steps to sort the given data. Open any worksheet and select the data that we want to sort. पता है कि sorting क्या है? Sort. You write in the ascending or descending order. For example, A to Z or Z to A. Open any worksheet. Select the data that we want to sort. Click on any cell. Now select the sort button in the sort filter group. This one is present, sort and filter group, on the data tab. The entire database will be selected and the sort dialog box appears. Select the field column on the basis of which we want to sort from the sort by drop down list. For example, select the name field. Select the values option from the sort on the drop down list. Select the sorting order from the order drop down list. By default, A to Z option is selected, और select Z to A option from the drop down list. या तो हम A to Z को select करेंगे या फिर Z to A. If you want to use the ascending, then you can use the A to Z. Otherwise, you want to descending, then Z to A. We can check my data as headers checkbox to exclude the first row containing the column headings of your data from sorting. Otherwise, clear the checkbox to include the row heading in sorting. Then click OK. The database will be arranged descending order on the basis of name column. We can also sort by more than one column. For example, after sorting by name, we want to arrange the list by roll number also. To sort by the roll number, follow the given steps also. Click on the add label button in the sort dialog box. A new label gets added below the first label. Mention the column name as the roll number. Then the drop down list will appear and order of sorting at the largest to smallest, or use the smallest to largest. Filtering data. Microsoft Excel provides several ways to analyze data in a list. The filter feature allows us to see only those records that we want to display, otherwise hide. सारा डेटा हमने देखना चाहते हैं, want to see the particular data and the rest of the data temporarily from the view. We can filter a list to display records that meet a specific criteria by using auto filter command. Select any cell within a database range. Click on the filter button in the sort and filter group on the data tab. कहाँ present रहता है sort and filter? This one is present in the data tab. A small across will be added to each field. These arrows are used to specify condition filter data. Click on the arrow next to the Hindi field name in cell D1 or any cell. Select the checkbox of the value 88 and the 98, any number from the drop down list. Click OK. The list will be get filtered and display only those records that we want meet the criteria of marks 88 and the 91. Sometimes you want to deactivate the filter also. Click the clear button present in the sort and filter group. This one is also present in the data tab. Just you click it. You want to deactivate. Data tab, or click on the filter symbol on the field name and select clear filter from Hindi option using advanced filter. Advanced filter option is used to filter the data multiple fields using a specified criteria. To copy the filter records to a different location to find unique records, to find the unique specific record. How can you do it? Insert a list 3 blank rows above the range, which is used to be used as a criteria range by clicking on the home tab. Just you go and click where? You can click the home tab and selecting the insert sheet rows option. The criteria range must have column labels. There should be any blank row between the criteria value and the range. Select the range. For example, you can select the A4 to D4. Press Ctrl C to copy. You know the copy. The range. Select the cell A1 and press Ctrl V for paste. Type the criteria we want to match in the row below the column labels. Type, for example, you type 10,000 under the field name salary. Click on a cell within the data range. Select data tab. Again, you can select the data tab and click on the advanced button in the sort and filter group. Specify the list range. For example, you can specify the $A, $4 to $D, $13. These all are used in the absolute referencing. Specify the select copy to another location option in the action select of advanced filter dialog box. Define the criteria range by displaying column label and criteria, that is $A, that is $A, $1, 2, $D, $2, 2, 1. These known as relative referencing and $ used only in absolute referencing. Define the range in copy 2, $F, $6 to $1, $6, that is $. Click OK. The data will be filtered according to the specified condition and will be copied in the place which we want to define in the copy to text box in the advanced filter dialog box. In Microsoft Excel, we can also filter and sort the data by cell color. Using data validation. What is data validation? Data validation is used to restrict the cell entries within a specified range. Select the cell E5 to E13. Choose Data tab. Data validation in the Tools group. This one is present where? This one is present in the Tools group. The data validation dialog box will be appear. The setting tab is selected by default. In allow drop down list, select whole number option. Then in data drop down list, between option is selected by default. In minimum text box type 0. Minimum text box में क्या type करेंगे 0 and the maximum you can type the 100. Click on the input message tab in the title text box, type validation. Type validation in input message box type 0, that means greater equal sign 0 and less than equal 100. Click the error alert tab and type input is wrong. In error message box, click on OK to close the dialog box. If we again you can try the data beyond the specified limit in the selected range or retry to enter another value in the cell. Adding subtotal in database. How can you add the subtotal database? The subtotal feature in a database helps us to manage, analyze and extract specific information from rows related to data. ये सारे related किससे होना चाहिए? All the information related to data. To apply subtotals, the database must be sorted. Follow these steps. How can you do it? Open a new worksheet and then enter the data. Open क्या करेंगे हम? Worksheet को नया worksheet open करेंगे and then enter the data. Select any cell within the range and choose data tab subtotal option in the outline group. The subtotal dialog box will be appear. Choose month from at each change in the drop down list. To calculate the sum of cells, select which one? Select sum function. That means sum, S-U-M, sum function from use function drop down list. In add subtotal to list box, select the cells checkbox. Deselect the replace current subtotals option, clicking on its checkbox. This option overrides the existing. जो existing subtotal है already क्या कर देगा उसको calculate. The summary of below at checkbox is marked by default. This option will place the total below the data of each month. Then click OK. Finally, click the OK. The subtotal will be displayed. Sometimes you want to remove also all the subtotals in your worksheet. Click in the cell within the range and select the data tab. Then subtotal option in the dialog box. Select the which option? You can select the remove option. Remove all button. Analyzing data with pivot table. Pivot. What is pivot table? Pivot table is a powerful tool for consolidating, summarizing and presenting data. How to create? Following steps to create the pivot table. Enter the given data in a new worksheet and select the entire data range. Choose the Insert tab, Pivot Table option in the Tables groups. Then create pivot table dialog box क्या होगा? Will be appear. In the table range text box, the range will be display that we select for the pivot table. उसके बाद हम क्या select करेंगे? Pivot table. The new worksheet radio button is selected by default. Finally, then you click OK. The create pivot table dialog box क्या is close, बंद हो जाएगा. The pivot table dialog is displayed on the new worksheet. The pivot table field list task pane appears on the right side where this one is displayed. This one is displayed in the right side of the screen. Click and drag the name field from the choose fields to add to report pane and drop it into the row labels. Drag the designation field into the column labels. Drag the salary field. Then you can drag the salary field into the values. Your worksheet should be look similar. Again, we can rearrange the data in any way. आप जिस तरह चाहो उसको हम क्या कर सकते हैं? अरेंज कर सकते हैं. We can also change the place of button here. If we do not like their placement, click the undo button. Thank you.